Hi, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this series of videos and slides covering the 6 amazing oils in Young Living's Feelings Kit. The first oil that I'm going to share as an individual video will be the oil blend of Harmony. Harmony is incredible. It packs in this one little bottle over I'm looking at a list of 10, 12 single oils. Look it up on youngliving.com, Harmony, Harmony, to see all the amazing oils. But I'm just going to tell you some of my favorite are in here. Ylang-ylang, frankincense, bergamot, black spruce. Those are amazing oils. And for anyone who understands the high frequency and the power of any of those that I just listed, understand the power that is jam-packed into this bottle. Harmony is a liberating and calming blend that promotes physical and emotional well-being and balance in one's energy centers of the body, okay? So it opens you up to new possibilities, gives you that good grounded feeling. If you're using this in your home, in your diffuser, let me just tell you, as a mama of 3 boys, 2 of those are teenagers, this is an incredible oil to go to, especially in the afternoons and evenings like we do, to create that sense of harmony in the home. Because it can get chaotic when different personalities are colliding, when there's a lot of different dynamics happening, whether it's trying to find that balance with homework, chores, responsibilities, getting kids to different places, maybe for yourself even in the work environment. This would be a great oil to diffuse and to apply topically in those days where you have time crunches, deadlines, coworkers are driving you crazy, boss is driving you crazy, okay? So diffuse on in your diffuser or wear on. These are specific points, places on your body that are great to apply this oil. Behind your ears and on your earlobes, amazing place to place any kind of emotional supporting oil, earlobes, okay? Also, the bottoms of your feet, over your heart, at the base of your neck, back of your head, and any areas of poor circulation. All right, check it out and let me know your experience with Harmony and how you like to use this specific oil from the Feelings Kit. And oh, by the way, you don't have to get it in the Feelings Kit. You can use it as a single, and I can't say single blend, just as a blend by itself, like I mentioned before, in the office, in your diffuser, in your home, applying it topically. This oil is incredible by itself, not just with the 5 other oils featured in the Feelings Kit. So if you have this one and you haven't acquired the other ones yet, be sure you pull it out and use it a couple days in a row. You'll see an amazing difference in your overall feel of your home, of yourself emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Thank you.